Hello everybody. I'm really sorry for my English because I forgot all the words, so sometimes I will use German words instead of English, but I will try. So this is the homework of Lorena Ines, and this kind of photo is not really good for me because here I can see fast nothing, and the white color should be white, but on this photo you see that the white color is blue. That is a mistake, and when you take a photo you need to pay attention that your light in your room when you are with your camera or cellular phone should be really, the room should be really light, and please use the daylight if it is possible. Perhaps that was a daylight, but it was too dark, and we need the light that really help, and that's why I use this program Picasso. And with this program, that was the result. That was that was your photo, yeah, Lorena. And I used this program to correct these colors because these colors, they make me a little bit cuckoo. So now, yeah, the white color is much better. It's not so blue as here, yeah, and I can see your stitches because here I can see nothing. So okay, well, you have written that, so I'm participating in your marathon that has awakened in me the symmetry in the works. I'm really happy because that was my goal. I really want you to pay attention how you tat, and the symmetry is the main point to have a really nice item when it is all ready. So we will see with the help of these lines if it is really symmetrically or not. These two elements, they are not bad. I could say almost ideal, but I don't like this part because this part is a little bit like a I forgot the word. Corner. So this part is round and this part has a corner. That should not be. This part should be the same round as here, the same as there, yeah. That is the only mistake that I can see here. And when we compare these two parts, this element is much better as this one. Why? If you compare this part, is a little bit curved, a little bit round, and this part is almost the same, 1 millimeter perhaps here, could be a little bit higher, and so I could say this element is fast symmetrically. This ring is a little bit damaged. I don't know why. Here this part is a little bit other as this one, and this ring is much better as this one. This would be better, but if I compare this left part with this right part, I see a big difference between them. They are totally different from each other. They are also a little bit different. You can compare, for example, here. Do you see? This is too much space here, and here you can you almost don't have the space. The same is here, but if you compare the size of these rings, they are totally different. Have a look. This is the third ring, so long, yeah, and this is the third ring is totally different, and the fourth ring is, come on, Man kann überhaupt nicht vergleichen. Jetzt kommt Deutsch. Tut mir leid. Sorry. So I tell you, I have a mix in the hand, and this is really difficult for me to switch my German and to start to speak English. I don't know why. This is einfach. Okay, machen wir weiter. So, this part is not good. That is the result of my bad English. So, these two rings, they are not so important for us because they will be on the other side of our lace. But this ring could be a little bit better. Perhaps you can tie it here. Yeah, you see that this ring is much bigger as this one, so you can tie it. I'm sorry. And these two rings, they are really the same. So what can I say? Nothing else. Once again, sorry for my English. I need to practice. Perhaps if I have a goal to have my English better, I could make some lessons once again, but I don't have this goal. And and what I see this part, I see this part of the thread. You need to make this part a little bit under the lace, because here when you see it, that is not so nice, because this is the face side, and on the face side you will see this one, and it's not it's not so accurate as it should be. So once again, I'm really sorry, and I think that was all that I could say about this lace. But Lorena, very well, nice try. Perhaps this part you need to make once again, but these three, they are really nice. Well done.